Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript comparison with the strict equality operator. A strict equality that is triple equal sign is the counterpart to the equality operator with double equal sign. However, unlike the equality operator which attempts to convert both values being compared to a common type, the strict equality operator sorry the strict equality operator does not perform a type conversion. If the values being compared have different types, they are considered unequal and the strict equality operator will return false. Example, here 3 triple equal 3 will return true, but 3 triple equal in quotes 3 will return false because here one is of type number and another is of type string. In the second example, 3 is a number and 3 within quote is a string type. So that's unequal. Let's see the task for this challenge. Use the strict equality operator in the if statement. So the function will return equal when val is strictly equal to 7. So let's put here triple equal sign to check equality to 7. And we can see that now console.log, and here we can show not equal. If we put 7 here, it will be equal 7. If we use double single quotes for to change it to a string, then it will be not equal to 7 in numeric type. So it satisfies all the condition. Let's change it to original, that is val equal to triple equal 7 and test strict 10 value. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.